Hello and welcome back. In this original Black Excellist presentation, we will highlight the 20 Black-owned banks and financial institutions.
Welcome to blackexcellist.com, the site where we share Black excellence, opulence, and affluence. Our mission is to inspire you as we enlighten you.
Ever since the founding of the first American bank in 1781, banking has played a critical role in facilitating the American dream. However, Black Americans have generally felt uncomfortable or unwelcome in the larger banking institutions, and many have felt that racial discrimination has played a major part in denials for mortgage loans, personal credit lines, business capital, or reasonable interest rates. Thus, the need for an alternative to these larger institutions where Black consumers are provided with greater access to capital and wider banking services, and where they feel like they are priority number one. In recent years, there has been greater emphasis on the critical role of Black-owned banks with the BANKBLACK movement. Not only do Black banks give the assurance that they are willing to invest in low to moderate income communities, they also set up aggressive financial literacy programs to help better educate the Black community on the importance of home ownership, investing, saving accounts, and establishing generational wealth. In this original Black Excellist presentation, we will highlight the 20 Black-owned banks, and we encourage you to participate in the BANKBLACK movement. This is a very proud moment for our culture as we strive to take small but significant steps toward building Black power through Black wealth. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. All-America Bank. This Black-owned bank provides a unique banking experience in the heart of Birmingham, Alabama. Their staff of experienced bankers is committed to providing quality and personalized service. All-America Bank offers a full array of banking services from deposit accounts to loans. Number 2. Broadway Federal Bank. Broadway Federal Bank and City First Bank of D.C. merged in April 2021 to create a new institution maintaining a bicoastal headquarters in both Los Angeles and Washington, D.C. Broadway was founded by a group of Black civic leaders to provide loans to minority customers, including returning veterans, who were often ignored by financial institutions or granted loans at high interest rates. Combining these two institutions has increased their capacity for investments in multifamily affordable housing, small businesses, and nonprofit development in financially underserved urban areas. Number 3. Carver Federal Savings Bank. Carver was founded to serve African American communities, and today it is committed to building wealth for its customers and to creating sustainable communities. Their mission is to assist the Black community in better understanding of the basics of banking and credit in order to achieve and retain home ownership, and in building and strengthening small businesses overall. Number 4. Carver State Bank. Carver has a tremendous heritage within the Savannah-Chatham County area as an innovative financial service leader for 85 years. Carver has been successful because of its loyal customers and the astute judgment, leadership, and hard work of its directors, management, and other employees. The Atlanta Hawks agreed to refinance a $35 million construction of their Emory Sports Medicine complex. The historic transaction was through a syndicate of Black-owned banks led by Carver State Bank. Number 5. Citizens Savings Bank. What started out as 1-cent savings bank became the first minority-owned bank in Tennessee. The institution's name was changed to the Citizens Savings Bank and Trust Company in 1920, as it still remains the oldest continuously operated Black-owned bank in the U.S. Citizens Bank puts its communities first and invests in areas underserved by the traditional banking sector, lending money for affordable housing, small businesses, and community facilities, and providing technical financial assistance to its customers. Number 6. Citizens Trust Bank. Citizens Trust Bank celebrates its 100-year legacy in 2021, built on the essence of vision, courage, and honor. This community bank was formed in Atlanta to emphasize the importance of fiscal responsibility, thriftiness, home ownership, and equal access and equality in financial services for all. Today, Citizens Trust Bank is one of the country's oldest and most firmly established community banks, yet the team is adaptable to stay relevant in a rapidly changing environment. Thanks to the hashtag BANKBLACK social media campaign in July 2016, more than 8,000 new accounts were opened at their branch in just 1 week. Number 7. Columbia Savings and Loan. This bank has been serving commercial and individual accounts in Milwaukee, Wisconsin by offering loans for homes and businesses, as well as personal loans. Their full-service office can help you allocate and grow your investments in a secure bank. Columbia Savings and Loan Association stands as a guiding light for progress in the Black community, providing a viable opportunity for minorities to apprentice in banking and business, as well as the mortgage loans for families that wish to obtain their dream home. Number 8. Commonwealth National Bank. This is a full-service nationally chartered commercial bank headquartered in the city of Mobile. Commonwealth's asset size is roughly $60 million. They offer free online banking with no minimum daily balance required and a variety of business accounts designed to help you maximize your banking experience. Number 9. First Independence Bank. This Black-owned state-chartered commercial bank is the 7th largest Black-owned bank in the United States. It started out with a mission of capital accumulation for individuals and business entities by delivering financial services to the underserved and minority communities. Still today, First Independence Bank prioritizes services to the Black community. They offer a variety of high-quality banking services from managing account to personal loans, mortgages, consumer education, and investments. Number 10. First Security Bank. The Security Trust and Savings Bank first opened for business in 1903. 26 years later, it merged with the First National Bank of Charles City, creating the first security bank and trust. As a true community bank through both the economic booms and the busts, First Security continues to create uncommon value for our customers and pursue a brighter vision for our community. During the COVID-19 pandemic, this bank was among Iowa's top 10 participating banks in the SBA's Paycheck Protection Program, supporting local small businesses hardest hit by the subsequent economic lockdowns. Number 11. GN Bank. 13 African-American men and their many supporters had a dream in the 1930s to establish a savings and loan association to meet the needs of the Black residents of Chicago, since it was all but impossible for people of color to obtain mortgage loans through the traditional banks. As assets grew, so did their ability to help the local communities grow and prosper. Today, they serve over 14,000 customers and have assets of more than $133 million. Number 12. The Harbor Bank of Maryland. Headquartered in downtown Baltimore, this is the only Black-owned and managed commercial bank in Maryland. Harbor Bank was founded to provide capital to individuals who historically lacked. It now has 6 locations, offering checking, savings, credit cards, and loans for commercial real estate, family homes, renovations, and automobile. Number 13. Industrial Bank. Industrial Bank has played a pivotal role in the growth and economic development of the Washington, D.C. metropolitan area through its essential products and services, customer care, and community service. Industrial Bank is one of the largest African-American-owned banks in the United States. It has been a strong partner for small and large businesses, homeowners, and personal banking account customers in the D.C. metro area. Number 14. Liberty Bank. Liberty Bank has grown to serve the Black underbanked community in 8 regions across the United States. They also wanted to take on the challenges of lack of lending and funding and limited ability to acquire assets and build wealth that have plagued communities of color. Liberty Bank is dedicated to providing more minorities with home ownership opportunities, small business loans, and access to financial resource centers, providing free education. Number 15. Mechanics and Farmers. Founded in 1908, this state-chartered commercial bank is the second oldest minority-owned bank in the United States. The 9 businessmen who incorporated the bank were active community builders and pioneers in Durham, North Carolina. They formed the nucleus of a thriving business and residential district in Durham by successfully establishing a number of other institutions and organizations in what became known as Black Wall Street. Today, the bank's mission is a commitment to promoting personal and community development while helping individuals, businesses, and community institutions in urban communities grow and develop. Number 16. One United Bank. One United Bank is an African-American-owned company headquartered in Boston, Massachusetts that has financed over $100 million in loans to low to moderate income communities in just the past 2 years. The bank's initial aims were to revitalize the Boston area by lending exclusively to local Black businesses and homeowners, but today it is the first Black internet bank and the largest Black-owned bank in the country. Their current mission is to help develop urban communities and building economic power in African American communities all across the nation. Number 17. Optus Bank. The story of Optus began when a group of African American leaders founded the Victory Savings Bank. This group of visionaries made a commitment to helping anyone, regardless of background or situation, build their wealth and improve their lives. Today, this community bank continues this legacy on the principle that all people should have access to the American dream. By offering innovative ways to manage, move, save, and borrow money for individuals and small businesses, Optus is ensuring that wealth building is not just for the wealthy. Number 18. Tri-State Bank of Memphis. The founders of Tri-State dreamed of a bank which would constructively change community conditions. The bank developed innovative financial and community service with the mission of providing Black communities with financial solutions that transform them for the better. In the first 10 years after its founding, Tri-State Bank of Memphis made more than $10 million in first mortgage loans on homes, representing home ownership for more than 2,000 African American families. Number 19. United Bank of Philadelphia. This bank offers personalized banking services in the greater Philadelphia area to both individuals and businesses. By providing financing to small businesses in urban areas, United Bank supports their growth and allows them to create jobs with livable wages, thus improving the economic condition of those working in the local community. As a mission-driven bank, United Bank continues to create balance in the economic spectrum by offering products and services with a goal of favorably impacting economic disparities in the Black communities. Number 20. United National Bank of Houston. This bank holds the distinction of being the only African American-owned banking institution in Texas. Their lending program has always been geared toward helping to rebuild the Black community, and therefore they continue to stress mortgage loans and commercial loans. Overall, this organization can be characterized as an independent community bank, providing quality customer service while presenting an image of professionalism and excellence, which serves as a role model to other businesses in the Houston underserved community.
We appreciate the fact that you stayed with us until the end. Thank you for spending time with us, and don't forget to like this video. Also, make sure you subscribe so that you never miss a video. Bye for now. We will see you tomorrow.